Hello, boys and girls, we are back again with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this puzzle page of the Saturday edition, Saturday, September the 30th, 2023, last day of the month, and I've already solved two puzzles in this puzzle page, the 3 stars Sudoku and the killer Sudoku, so two puzzles are left, the jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, and the binary, yes. And it's time for the binary puzzle. Yes, binary time. And this one will be number 7189. 89. Alright. 7189. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. And it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 1s and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Now the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Doubles, here one, there one. Double one there again. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O here, 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double O here, 1, there 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Double 1. Here no, there no. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Here we have an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So that box should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Then let me see. Here we have 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 1s in a row in the second row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. If I place the 5th O here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in the second row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Well, we have here 4 1s. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be one. There should be no. Between two O's comes in one double one, and no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one, there one. And between two ones comes an O. Wow! Finish in 5 minutes without comparing. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle in this puzzle page, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.